All right, guys. Bad start. Bad start to the month. Let's quickly just go through it. Today was actually a green day. I actually took a Tesla call. Can see here. Pretty good winner there. Contract was at like $1. We sold at a pretty good price. So you can see the Tesla chart here. Basically, we just bought here and sold here. I think we sold here actually. Sold around this area. And we just rolled into a runner for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. If it can bounce and go upward, that would be great. We'll take another trade. So yeah, that was a pretty good trade there. Yeah, you can see I bought for $1, sold for $1.92. So that was a good trade. The problem was I left a runner overnight. I was in the puts. I don't know why I was in the puts. Undisciplined, honestly. It was an undisciplined moment for me. I think I continue being greedy, trying to get gains, and so in the matter of these market conditions, it's better just to take the money that's given to me, not put anything at risk, especially when we don't have the luxury of risk right now. And we are trying to grow this thing from nothing. And so I think we were at a 1,500 account balance. But you can see that overall we're getting cooked, and I think a lot of it just comes from mindset. I think I'm risking too much on 0 days after I'm doing so well getting my money. As we can see, my win rate is here, but the times that I'm losing, I'm over betting, and so that has caused an imbalance not only in my average win to loss, which is not good. This needs to be closer to like 2, right? Same with my profit factor, but it's okay. It's okay. So you can see we've got a lot of work to do, and I think a lot of this comes from indiscipline in trading. Like, losses are happening, but I'm forcing trades. I mean, it's terrible to see, honestly. But yeah, never here or there. This is learning lessons. It's hard to see. As you can see, like, these are just, I'm having good green days, right? But the red days are outweighing 841, 982, and I'm forcing those. I think I get a taste. This was a bad streak. Very bad streak. Yeah, I mean, terrible. As we get closer into these months, this is the metrics I'm more looking at here. But yeah, this was terrible. This was terrible. Bad start. So let's get it back. Let's get it back. How are we going to do that? Let's look into it. So there's a lot of things that are interesting points today. We had massive moves. ARM went up 41% in the larger account. We are owners. I do like this company as they are just generating lots of cash. Lots and lots of cash. So I do like them on that standpoint. I think for me to want to play calls again, I would want to see a breakout out of this trend line that I have. breaking these highs, and we have an alert here. Once we break these highs, I know we broke market structure, and maybe I'll look for a pullback, and then we can ride this thing. Oklo, we have entered once again shares in a larger account, nothing in the smaller account. AEP looks interesting though. AEP looks very interesting. Normally not a lot of volume. As you can see, it takes some time for some movement, but yeah, I think this one looks good. I'll watch this one pretty close, actually. Oracle's starting to have a nice little jump here. Once again, need it to break structure for me to be like, okay, yeah, we're hitting this major support line. Alright. So let's see if it breaks through. If it does, then straight to 163. If not, we'll see if it comes in, test back, or if it's just going to keep going. But yeah, I would like to see some type of like pullback here, and then I would want to enter again. SpaceX basically had a lot of CapEx spending, a lot of AI spending. Revenue did well, but bad earnings report. We are in shares here. I would stay away from SpaceX for now. I mean, it could come. Who knows? Still 1.64 trillion is crazy, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, so we're watching this one. Tesla's what we played today. Basically just caught this move here. Now I want to see if it curls up here and possibly even goes into the 345. So that would be amazing. But we took profits today. We're going to roll it. We closed those puts from SPY as SPY went absolutely insane. Honestly, I didn't even trade that much. I wasn't feeling too well. And I don't want to force the money. And I think a lot of my losses have been coming from thinking I have to trade that day, which is just not true. But yeah, if we were to look at SPY, like if I were to have traded it, let's just do a quick analysis. I didn't. Okay. So let's just do our 15-minute opening range just to see. Yeah, it broke. Never really retested, but then it just went berserk. All day. Insane. Okay. I would honestly, in the state that we're in right now, having that we've just gone up so much, like, dude, that's just insane. You never know in a hot market, but once we do get hot, it does turn at some point. Right? I want to be there for that turn. So I think I'm going to start leveraging in a little bit. Microsoft still looks bullish as well. You can see we're starting to flatten out. That's when I start to get interested. But we're still in bullish structure, right? Not gonna take away anything. Amazon. Filled the gap and made a green candle. Interesting. As far as spot, it's still shooting. Everything's in bullish structure, so it's too early to call puts. Like I said, I might start leveraging in here at the pivot point just off of mathematical probability. The odds of us continuing to go higher without some taking gains is pretty low. If Meta can break yeah, I think it could come up to like 600. Nvidia having a nice bounce off its moving average, the daily. That looks interesting. That looks very interesting. Mm. Yeah, we've got some things to watch for sure. Yeah, that I like that. Tesla would like to see kind of go berserk. I'm not gonna lie. Mm-mm. Meta looks interesting here. I don't want to force it because I would want to see us pass. Like, look at all these alerts up here. I would probably want to see us pass these highs. You know? Then we can play it even higher, maybe into some of these levels here. The crazy part, guys, oh my gosh, look at this. I forgot when we bought the contract, but oh my days, dude. I'm kind of goofy for that, for selling so early. It's a learning lesson, though. I've gotten cooked on some of my swings. So. Okay. Yeah, I like the Apple. Tesla I would like to see as well. Hey, my love. Hello. Hey, baby. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. There I come. Alright. Well, that's the lady calling. I'm in today. I'll probably edit some of this out, but yeah, that's what we're looking at for today. Nvidia had a nice little bounce there. Apple, we'll see if it breaks. Tesla, I would love for it to break. SPY's going insane. Meta looks bullish as well. This is Nvidia. So yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, we'll see what happens. We gotta continue growing. Big L, reset the account, but here we go.